Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next question of our agriculture optional answer writing practice series. And the question for today is enumerate the major storage pests of wheat and describe preventive and control measures. So let's see how we can approach this answer. So obviously we all know that storage pests are those pests which affect our yield or which affect our grains while we are storing it. Okay, and it can lead to huge losses. Okay, storage pests can reduce the quality of our grains and lead to huge losses or huge wastage. If you see some ICR reports, it says that around 30 to 40% of wastage can be directly through these storage pests. So these are the framework which you can use in introduction, and I am expecting a good introduction from you, which you must write and comment down. Must comment a good introduction so that we can see that you are going at good direction or not. So this is what things we can use in introduction. Now directly we are moving to the body part, that is major storage pests affecting wheat. Storage pests of wheat. First one could be rice weevil. It affects largely rice and wheat only. It affects generally grains, but maximum you will find them in rice and wheat. Secondly, there is a lesser grain borer. Lesser grain borer. Then we have red floor beetle. Then we have khapra beetle. Khapra beetle. Then we have saw-toothed grain beetle. Then we have grain moths. Grain moths. So these are the some of the major storage pests of wheat. There are many, but I think if you write these 5, 6, that will be enough. And simply they do simple all do a kind of similar destruction only. Some will feed on the grains, some will convert the grains into powder, some will make holes in the grains. So all these things you will be seeing done by these storage pests. Now when you see the question, we have to discuss preventive and control measures, that is preventive and protective measures. So first of all, we will be discussing preventive measures. That is what measures can we take to prevent these storage pests. First of all, obviously, pre-storage sanitation. That is cleaning the storage area, removing all residues, removing all debris. Okay, kind of filling the cracks, filling the services. So all these things should be done before storing the grain. Secondly, proper drying. The moisture content of our grain, suppose here it is about wheat, so it should be around less than 12 to 10%. Less than 10-12%. Okay, it is must. Next, we should use pest resistant varieties. Pest resistant varieties should be used. Now it is your homework to give me some examples of pest resistant varieties of weed. Okay, so that the you search those varieties and you will remember those varieties for long term. We can use airtight storage structures. Comment on the varieties. We can use airtight storage structures. We can do regular monitoring. Proper staking and aeration. So all these things are preventive measures which should be taken. Now let's see the control measures or protective measures. That is, after storage pests have started their action, we need to also start our action to control them. First of all, we can mention about chemical control. So here we can directly fumigate, or we can use some chemical contact insecticides or pesticides. Okay, contact insecticides. So generally we should prefer fumigation, and we can fumigate using aluminum phosphide, aluminum phosphide. And if you are using contact insecticides, so we can use malathion 5% dust. So this would be the chemical control. Secondly, we can do botanical control, obviously use of bio pesticides such as neem powder. Next, in biological control, you can only mention that we can use parasitoids which can kill these pests. For example, we can use any Spectromalus calandri. This is a parasitoid which can be used for the control of weevils. So I think these will be the control measures. So this is how we can kind of approach this answer, and in the conclusion part we can write how integrated pest management should be applied for storage pests also, but the main focus should be on our preventive measure only, so that we do not move towards chemical action after that insect pests affect us, and it will also reduce our cost of storage, because those insect chemicals will cost us a lot amount of money. So all these things you can mention. So that is all for today. If you like it, please press the like button. Please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.